mag-pose para hindi siya against the light. Sa bandang dulo, let's go! Oo, the circumnavigation na, no? Diba si Christopher Columbus yung unang pumunta. Tapos si Amerigo Vespucci. Oo, from whom was taken the name America o the New World. So, pero, nahuli naman si, yung Magellan, diba? Oo, did Magellan circumnavigate the world? Supposed to be, pero hindi siya. Yung kanyang kasama doon, yung natira, o kasama din si Pigafetta, syempre. Si Pigafetta, yung kanilang parang secretary or historian. Pigafetta was a Venetian scholar who went with the expedition. Kasi yung expeditions dati, usually, if not by Portugal, by Spain. So, sponsored by Spain. Si Magellan naman was a Portuguese, pero he was employed by the Spanish crown. Kaya, ayan. Wow, grabe. 108 siguro lahat ng iyan, pero I don't know, hindi ko nabibilangin kasi hanggang doon paikot lahat meron. Ang cute naman. So ayan po, so far parang 108 yung number of galleon ships that sailed, no? Dalawa, one coming from Acapulco, Mexico, and the other one is coming from Manila. Sa Manila nanggagaling. Dati po sa Cavite siya nanggagaling. Eventually, napunta na dito sa Intramuros na. Ang ganda ng history. Napaka-exciting. Baka-rope. How do you secure the running rigging of the galleon? Ito. Here are the steps. Yan pala, oh. Learn na tying. Para secured. Learn the knots. Ayan. May na-tying lessons tayo. Bowline knot. Ito, step by step, ha. Wow. Ayan, wow. Insert the end back through the loop and pull tightly. O, diba? O, ito naman ang clove hitch knot. That's step 1, step 2, step 3, and step 4. Dito naman sa figure 8 knot. Step 1, step 2, step 3, and step 4. 4 steps lang lahat, no? The sheep bend knot. Yan pala, oh. Ang dami natin natututunan. Tsaka yung square knot naman. Try nga natin yan mamaya. Ito. And finally, wow. Lalabas na tayo. Tingnan niyo naman. Grabe, no? Wow. So, who was the first to circumnavigate the earth or the world? Circumnavigate the world. Hindi po si Magellan because he was not able to finish the whole voyage. It was actually Elcano. O si Elcano po yung talagang natapos niya. So, pasensya na lang, no? Pero originally, it was the Magellan voyage. So, paano namatay siya dahil doon sa Mactan. Mactan, Battle of Mactan. So, ayun. Kaya hindi siya nakauwi sa Espanya. Ayan. Ang laki niya, no? Ano daw yan? 2,000 tons. Ma-imagine niyo po ba yung 2,000 tons na yan? O parang isang building na nga talaga, di ba? no? Pero yung mga cruise ship na yon talagang malalaki, sobrang laki nila. Pero at least yan, no? Oh, 'di ba? Hardwood, mga hardwood 'yan. At dito po sa Pilipinas, pagka sinabi nating hardwood, ang dami. Talagang sobra sa dami. Kaso later, naubusan na rin. Kailangan na nating mag-tree planting ulit. Oo. Kaya very good yung ginawa ng ating mga local governments na ano sila, we are actually planting. No, we're planting new trees.
Long before we encountered the West, our seas were alive with movement, connection, and prosperity. Far from our shores, the currents of the world began to shift. Ming China and Constantinople, the powerhouses of the Silk Road, would not last forever. Trade faltered, caravans ceased, and the Silk Road, once alive with movement, ideas, and exchange, began to disappear. In Europe, kingdoms on the rise looked outward, driven by the search for spices and new passages to Asia. Early voyagers
Ang ganda, no?
Spain and Portugal
Ang ganda.
expanded European ambitions, dividing and conquering the world.
Grabe.
Yet the passage west remained uncertain. One expedition
Basta puntahan nyo na
pushed
lang.
farther than
Kasi
any before.
hindi natin mako-cover lahat ito. Kailangan nyo talaga ma-experience. Kayo mismo ang pumunta.
Hunger.
Ganda. Grabe, ang ganda. Oo, ayan o. Ganda talaga. Puntahan nyo, guys. So, happy Mother's Day din po sa ating bayang Pilipinas. Nanay din siya, motherland natin siya, di ba? So, happy Mother's Day po sa lahat ng mga mothers, pati na sa ating bansa, ang ating motherland. Oh, malapit na mag-sunset. Wow, ayan o. Mag-bell din tayo. Let's ring the bell. Let's ring the bell kasi ang ganda ng Galyon. Oops. Museo de Galyon. Doon pala tayo bababa. Oh, fourth. Ayan. Pero, ayan o. Yay! Kita niyo po. Ayan na po ang Pasay. Oh my goodness. Reclaimed na talaga siya, oh. Oh, the boats are far, far away. Oo. At ayan sa baba. Andun yung Mowaay. Andun yung ibang buildings. IMAX dito. And ayan. So, hope you enjoyed our video today. I hope you learned many things. And this is Simply Jane saying, thank you for watching. God bless you all. See you on the next vlog. Against the light. So, ang dami na naman po nating natutunan sa araw na ito, especially it's Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day po sa lahat. Ayan na. Open. Let's go. Bababa na tayo sa ground floor. Ayan, guys. Ang ganda ng Museo del Galion. O, kabubukas lang po ng Museo del Galion and we are waiting. Ayan na, ayan na. 4th floor, 3rd floor na tayo. Tapos, going to 2nd floor. And finally, we're here. Yay! At the ground floor now. Thank you. Welcome to Museo del Galion. Now, welcome to the Museum of the Galion. That's the meaning. So, may we be reminded that looking to the past is essential to preparing for the future. Sabi po dito, that the oceans are what unite us and could bring us closer together, even if we are literally oceans apart from each other. So, ito po nakalagay, the Museo del Galion was conceived by the late lawyer, educator, and statesman, Senator Edgardo Angara, whose visionary leadership bore fruit in the 2010 Dia del Galion Resolution of the United Nations and the 2014 groundbreaking of this museum. O, diba?
That's very important.
Thank you, Senator Angara.
We can really tell this movie was good.
Ayan, that's how they made this museum. Ganda, no? Tapos dito sa kabila, sino kaya ito? Who's the other one? Ambassador Carlos Salinas, Chairman, Museo del Galion. Ay pala. So, oceans that unite humanity. We really need to safeguard. Ayan, diba? Ganda, talaga ang ganda. Ayan, ang mga distinguished patrons. So, SM Prime, International Container Terminal Services, San Miguel Corporation. Ano pa ba ang mga benefactors? The Emperador Distillers. O, diba? The PTC Group. Galing. O, ayan na po. O, ang dami nakalagay. Pero ito po yung mga big ones na yung International Container Terminal Services Incorporated. Basta mga containers, di ba? Kay ano yan? Sino nga ba? Alam nyo na yun siguro. O, sige ha. So, ayan. Okay, ayan po. Ikutin lang natin ha. Let's move around. Ayan po. Wow. Museo del Galion. Okay. Wow. Balikan po natin to kasi kanina nagmamadali tayo because of the elevator. So, ito, directory, first floor, main entrance, welcome hall, information and admission, museum shop. Ito naman po yung sa second floor, Gallery 1, Galion Hall, Pillars of Exchange, and Gallery 4. Soon to open pa lang pala. So, Gallery 2 na 3, at saka yung gun deck, soon to open. Wala pa pala sila. Ay, yung Gallery 3 yung soon to open. It's only Gallery 2 and the gun deck that are already open on the 3rd floor. Tapos, sa 4th floor naman, the fleet of the centuries and the main deck. Scan to view the Galion Pass. Explore the museum, ignite the flavor. All new Museo del Galion. Ticket holders, 1 discount per transaction. Oh, pwede ka palang magpa-discount dyan with your Galion Pass dito sa Fiery Style. Pero mas malaki po yung aking discount as a senior citizen kasi 20% yun, diba? So, dito nga po ito sa ground floor. Seattle's best yun dito, no? Dito. Yung main entrance ng Museo del Galion.